Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to Insider Financial, your go-to source for all things finance and investing. I'm Alex Carlson, and today we will recap what's happening in the stock market and discuss our game plan for the rest of the week. Well, guys, right now it's all about low float runners. If you look at the following screen, you can see that the big movers on Monday all had low floats under 10 million shares. BRSH up 74%, MIRA up 40%, ZJYL up 34%, FBIO up 33%, and I highlighted it last night in last night's video, so congratulations, had insider buying that I pointed out to all of you guys. BLBX up 32%. I will talk about this one more towards the end of the video. And BMTX up 32%. But for our subscribers, our last 4 profiles moved double digits after we featured them in our newsletter. 2 of them moved over 75%. We have another Nasdaq profile sitting around 25 cents with bounce potential. Congrats to all subscribers who have been banking. Let me know in the comments if you caught the move on any of these plays, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts throughout the video. And to get our market moving reports, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from insiderfinancial.com. We don't run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And some of these stocks, well, a lot of them are making big moves in the pre-market. If you want to trade 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., click our referral link in the description for Webull. Register, open a new account, deposit, and claim 6 to 12 free stocks. Well, guys, U.S. stocks on Monday extended a 3-week win streak that has seen the benchmark S&P 500 post gains in every day of November except for 2 trading days. This week will be quiet in terms of news flow as the bulk of the third quarter earnings season is done, though Nvidia's results on Tuesday after the bell will garner significant attention. Analysts expect Nvidia to post earnings per share of $3.39 on revenues of $16.11 billion for the quarter, which would mark a significant jump of 172%. The AI leader is once again expected to smash third quarter revenue expectations as it continues to benefit from broadening AI adoption across industries. But observers will be focusing on the sustainability of this growth due to expanding U.S. curbs on sales of high-end chips to China. Nvidia shares have surged over 247% year to date, helping it become the first trillion-dollar chip firm. The Philly Semiconductor Index has jumped nearly 50%. In October, the U.S. brought in new updates to its export restrictions, which curbed the sale of chips that Nvidia made for the Chinese market, such as the A800 and H800 chips, as part of Washington's efforts aimed at hindering China's access to advanced semiconductor technology. Nvidia said that it does not expect a near-term meaningful impact on its financial results. The Wall Street Journal reported that the latest U.S. export restrictions on high-end chips could put $5 billion worth of orders at risk. The company is expected to announce 3 new chips for China, according to a Reuters report. Nvidia has held over 90% share of China's $7 billion AI chip market. However, analysts noted that U.S. restrictions may benefit local players such as Huawei. Earlier this week, Nvidia announced its new H200 GPU, which allows for work done on generative AI and large language models to be even faster. It added that Amazon, Google, and Oracle will be among the first cloud service providers to deploy H200 starting next year. This week, as I said, the economic calendar is largely empty, and the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday will contribute to light volume. Then Black Friday on Friday, which the market closes early at 1 p.m. The Nasdaq today led gains. QQQ was up 1.22%. Microsoft had a big day, up 2% after the tech giant brought on former OpenAI co-founders Sam Altman and Greg Brockman to lead a new advanced artificial intelligence team. The hiring came after a shock move by OpenAI's board on Friday to oust Altman as top brass. So Microsoft has got a $13 billion investment in OpenAI, bringing on Sam Altman. So, Nvidia, Microsoft, right now, these are the two leading AI plays in the market. SPY closed up 0.77%, and the Dow Jones DIA ETF was up 0.6%. Again, all these are coming off their best win streak since late July, and it's largely been driven by the general market consensus that the Fed is done hiking rates. The weekend drama, going back to OpenAI, the weekend drama at OpenAI turned into a massive coup for Microsoft, with Sam Altman joining the tech conglomerate to head its new AI research team. Artificial intelligence has been the hot theme in tech for the last year, and this weekend's surprising news seems to have triggered a fresh wave of buying across the tech sector, which led today's rally. QQQ, it just right out of the gate opened at 386.05, which was the low of the day. So it just rallied from there all the way to 390. Longer end treasury yields inched lower after the $16 billion 20-year note auction drew a high yield of 4.78% versus the win-issued yield of 4.79%. The results indicated solid demand and was in stark contrast to the $24 billion 30-year auction 11 days ago that tailed by its biggest margin ever. The 30-year yield was down to 30-year was down to 4.553%. 10-year yield down to 4.41%. Turning back to equities, U.S.-listed Argentinian stocks grabbed some of the spotlight, staging a broad-based advance after far-right libertarian Javier Milei won the country's presidential election on Sunday. The Global X MSCI Argentina ETF was up 11%. YPF was up 39%. This has sparked speculation that the state-owned energy firm could benefit from economic reforms. In terms of small caps that I am watching, first up is FBIO. This has the insider buying that I flagged for subscribers last week. We got the president, CEO, and chairman. He was buying at $1.70, bought $2.6 million worth of stock. So that was, and as you can see here, no sales. It's been buying for the past year. So that is a positive sign indeed. CDIO, this is one I covered last month. This stock keeps staying in play. Company put out news this morning. They announced a breakthrough in coronary heart disease detection with precision CHD test, published in the Journal of the American Heart Association. So this was big news, and again, people keep this one on your radar screen whenever it gets news. It has just been on fire. So again, congrats to all who are banking in CDIO. PROK had a nice day today, up 45%. But again, this is the first green day in a while. I think we're going to get a continuation. Closed at $1.76, trading just 2 cents higher in the after hours at $1.78. But I like this one because just under 28% of the float is short. I think we could see a lot more upside. And again, remember, earlier in July, we had BTIG Research was out with a buy, $16 price target. So we had the correction in August. So this one here looks to have bottomed. I think there's more upside in PROK. AVXL on watch. Nice day today. Hammer here. Closed near the highs. They sold it, tried to sell it. The shorts tried to hammer it intraday, but the bulls brought it back. 23% of the float is short. Company was out with news. They initiate regulatory submission of oral blarcamesine for Alzheimer's disease to European Medicines Agency, the EMA. So again, this has been an Alzheimer's play. A lot of people got a big following. A lot of people really like this one. This is one we have covered a lot here at InsiderFinancial.com, and one that we think is got a lot more upside. 52-week range 490 to 1325. I think we're going to go back and test the highs over the next few months. This is a longer term play that I am watching. Lastly, guys, is BLBX breaking out just a 1.8 million share float. We had insider buying earlier this year that I highlighted at $3. The president CEO was buying at $3. Right here, the stock went all the way down to $1, just above $1, and now we're back here. I think there's a lot more upside in BLBX. Had good earnings last week, so certainly this one here can see a lot more upside going forward. But our main focus for tomorrow is our report on a Nasdaq penny stock with a $7.34 million market cap and trading under 25 cents a share. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. And at insiderfinancial.com, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I've repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy investing and may your portfolios be ever in your favor. This is Alex Carlson signing off.